Oh, can't feel my hand.
Isn't that lovely?
What would be fun? You want to kill yourself?
Oh yeah.
Just throw a bag in there. Watch how fast.